We're a group of UMass students from Lena Fletcher's NRC 100 class, and we're here cleaning up the Montague Sand Plains from its trash. I'm Allie.
I'm Amelia.
I'm Amaya.
I'm Nick.
Before we begin, we would like to acknowledge that the Montague Sand Plains currently reside on land that used to be occupied by the people of the Pecumtuck Nation. It is important to recognize that the land we reside on is largely stolen from indigenous communities. The Montague Sand Plains are located on a large sand delta and were formed more than 10,000 years ago. They span 1,750 acres in Franklin County. It contains the largest inland area of pitch pine and scrub oak. These plains are a rare pine barren and support many rare plants and animals in our area. This is a protected area due to the housing of rare species, especially the presence of birds like the prairie warbler and brown thrasher. These species are currently declining in the northeast United States due to disruptions in their natural patterns. This unfortunately includes the sand plains, since its shrubbery and vegetation are being lost as canopy closure increases. The sand plains contain at least 10 rare plant and invertebrate species. There's also a wetland inside the plains that is a habitat for the endangered northeastern bulrush. We cleaned up trash and debris inside the sand plains. It is important to keep these lands clean, especially since there are so many rare and endangered species that live here. Environmental cleanup decreases chances of wildlife interacting and potentially getting harmed by trash. It also helps restore the habitat, since trash can start to degrade and release chemicals and microplastics into the soil and water. In fact, 60% of water pollution is linked to litter. Every year, more than 1 million animals die from ingesting or becoming entrapped in litter. This is equivalent to the entire population of Philadelphia. Environmental leadership is important because it can create a positive impact on our community as well as the world around us. We have learned how even a little effort can cause a positive change. It is a crucial facet of natural resource conservation, since it encourages positive change on both local and global levels. The more people are willing to help their local environment, the healthier it can become.
Civic engagement is a way for us to contribute to our communities and affect them in a beneficial way. It supports a certain person or place and can help strengthen a community and encourage more people to engage in productive ways.
We are proud to have helped clean the beautiful Montague Sand Plains. There wasn't an abundance of plastic to be picked up, but we were able to get many bags of trash out of our environment, hopefully protecting the plants and animals of this environment. It is important to be a positive influence on our community.